If you're looking for dog's food no grain, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular dog's food no grain. Number 1, most popular, by Taste of the Wild. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Only Natural Pet. Number 3, by Purina Pro Plan. For more details about these dogs' food products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Blue Freedom. Number 5, also by Blue Freedom. Find these dogs' food no grain at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Nutro. Number 7, by Nature's Recipe. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Merrick. Number 9, by Purina Pro Plan. Discover more dogs' food no grain ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by IAMS.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.